Hey there! Here we are going to go over free digital marketing tips for your website. Your website is your online home base, so you want to look great and provide helpful information to your visitors. Here are some of the best ways to promote your business without spending a dime. Web design. Make sure your website is well designed, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. More and more people are using their smartphones and tablets to access the internet, so you want your website to look good on all devices. To ensure you are designing with mobile devices in mind, here are some basic guidelines to follow. Make sure your website is easy to read on a mobile device. If your site looks great on the desktop but it's difficult to read on mobile, then there's no point having them both running alongside each other. This means simplifying your font, taking out any unnecessary images, and restructuring the way information is displayed. It can be easy to forget about font size when coding on a desktop computer, but it's important to remember that some people will be accessing your site using devices with screens that are only a few inches large. You don't need all of the clutter. Keep the structure of your site simple, with a clear 3-column layout and top navigation to help users navigate their way around. Reduce file sizes wherever possible. Use images that have been optimized for use on the web to ensure they load quickly without taking up too much data from a user's plan. Ensure links work properly. Make sure links connect users to the correct page and don't include complicated URL unless necessary. Use a mobile responsive design so that your website adjusts accordingly to fit different screen sizes. You can check if your site is optimized for a variety of devices here. If you don't have the time to optimize your website yourself, you can hire a professional to do it for you. Search engine optimization, SEO, is one of the most important ways to market your small business online without paying for it. SEO makes it more likely that people will find you in search engines like Google and Bing. SEO is the process of getting a website to rank in a high position in search engine results. There are many small steps that you can do in order to get your business ranking higher in Google and Bing. We cover more in the Module 5 free or nearly free ways to improve your SEO. Blog. Create a blog and post regularly. A blog is a great way to share information about your business, products, and services. It also helps you build authority and shows you're an expert in your field. Blogging gives a fairly steady stream of traffic to your site because your blog posts appear in search engine results when people look for information related to the topic you blog about. Search engines like Google and Bing rank blog articles higher because they consider blog articles more relevant, authoritative. Call to action, CTA. Include a call to action at the end of all blog posts, whether it's asking the reader to subscribe to your email list or purchase a product or service from you. Generally, you want to ask your readers to subscribe on some level as this helps build trust and keeps traffic coming back. Infographics. Create informative infographics that show how your products and services can help solve problems for potential customers. A great way to reach your customers and prospects, as they can be used to explain complicated concepts that would otherwise baffle or bore people. 3 ways you can use infographics for your business. To explain how your products work. Every product has a number of features, but it's rare for anyone other than the person who designed and developed the product to know exactly how it operates. You can create an infographic that shows your prospects and customers what you do in a way that's fun, clear, and informative. To highlight the value of your products and services. You've probably spent a lot of money and time creating a great product and service. But how can you tell people about it so they'll want to buy it, or at least be more likely to choose you over the competition? You can explain the value of your products and services by creating infographics that show how they can benefit people. To highlight the value of your products and services. You may feel as though your business is as good as or even better than those you're competing against, but that knowledge needs to be communicated in a way that will inspire confidence and make people choose you over the competition. One way to do this is to create an infographic that shows what makes you stand out from your competitors. An infographic about the best features of your business, for example, will not only attract new customers, but also show existing customers why they've made a smart decision by choosing you. Free resource. Offer free resources such as templates, checklists, and other helpful tools that your audience will find valuable. Free resources are tools, information, and assets that you provide to your target audience for free. Free resource topics may include work samples, templates, checklists, educational webinars or tutorials, organizational tips or how-tos, book recommendations or reviews of other products, software downloads, ultimately anything that provides your audience with value. Why offer free resources? Free resources are helpful for three main reasons: to begin building authority and trust in your field of expertise, to generate leads that might convert into paying customers down the line, to drive social shares/traffic that can increase business opportunities. How to create a successful free resource. When determining what kind of free resource to provide, consider your target audience's needs and challenges to come up with ideas. Here are some common examples that can serve as inspiration. An educational checklist for students struggling in a certain subject. A printable template for customers needing help organizing their finances. Helpful tips for managers looking to train their employees more effectively. A review of a hot topic to share on social media. Once you have settled on the content for your free resource, promote it in a variety of ways. Create a blog, post about it, and add it to your website's resources page. Write a guest blog posting linking to your free resource. Add it as an opt-in bonus when people sign up for your emails. Create a video tutorial and upload it to YouTube, Vimeo, or other video hosting sites. When you share free resources with your audience on social media, include the main value proposition of the resource in the post description to intrigue viewers. You can also make use of hashtags like #free, #resource, #templates, etc. to further promote and connect with your audience. Testimonial. Include customer testimonials on your website. Testimonials are a great way to add credibility and support to your website. Customers will identify with other customers telling their experience through testimonials. They can be authentic, specific, and non-salesy, while still promoting the product or business idea in an enticing way. Digital transformation marketing doesn't have to be expensive. There are many free or nearly free ways to promote your business online. Try out some of these tips and see how they work for you.